uCasper uthi Umthandeni SK, he was not supposed to win that record of the year kuMasama. So Casper, you are telling me that just because uTyler has won a Grammy somewhere else in the world, then that makes her automatically the best contender to win the record of the year kuMasama. Do you know that SAMA stands for South African Music Awards? And the standard that they use kuMasama to pick the winners is the standard of South Africa. South Africa. Just because you have won a Grammy somewhere else in the world does not make you the best contender to win every award in South Africa. No. Isimo State more, Casper. Isimo State. Umthandeni won fair and squarely, and I think you should recognize that. Please, Casper Nyovest. Ungasiqali tu.
Kube sekuba yikho njalo ukuphendulana kaCasper noMthandeni. Wathi uMthandeni uCasper yilabafana abasindwa izikhindi ko-hip hop uzovuka ngathi la kumaskandi. Ngizolishaya leli data leli. Hayi. uCasper ephendula ngesankahla laphana ethi baba, don't be emotional. I never said anything about you. I just said Tyler had a big song. It won a Grammy and I felt like it. I felt like it deserved to win Record of the Year. Respectfully, I wasn't trying to take a jab at you and your song. Mara, also why you are biting your lips in this picture. Lol, come on champ. Yabo. Kusho uCasper la, hayi zasizimthelakala ke kadala wani impela lapha kuma comment impela bese iphendulana naye. Ziphendulana naye phansi phezulu. uCasper waze wahamba wayoxolisa kangangokuthi uze wathi, Mthandeni SK, I'm sorry you felt offended by my comments that Tyler had a big song and deserved a song of the year. I never meant any disrespect or malice. No, I'm not the type to act hard. The tough guy act is not me at all, but I do like to box, so if you wanna take it there, we can definitely go there. Kasonkwala motlo inkosi yami ayiqala language ayibhalile kodwa ke utheni impela ayicha ubengaqondile ukuthi akhulume kanje ngokungamhloniphi ngalendlela akhulume ngayo. Kodwa ke impela ukuthi uyafuna ukuthi kiwe ngaseboxini akake kiwe ngakhona. Hayi ukuthi impela ke abantu ukuthi basuka nawe ngale bayakulandela. Oslo umtshali bekhomenta othishela bethi ayiqala kumina uthishela uMaganga lo kudume ukuthi mumbi kakhulu kumaskani. Bethi ayiqala kumina bese uyakuyena. Abanye bethi hey akakuzwa mbhalele ngesizulu bethi hayi bakhona otolika. Abantu besho yonke into ke mntana sekhaya kule ngxabano. uCasper uthena ingoma kaMthandeni ibingadeserve ukuwina. Ikhona kaTyler yawina ama-Grammy. Bekufanele ukuthi uwine nangala kwisama song. Abantu ke bala ukuthi cha wena uhlanganaphi ngoba ingoma kaMthandeni iyona besiyithanda la eSouth Africa. EkaTyler ukuthi njani iyona yaMthandeni besiyithanda la eSouth Africa. Iyona ebimnandi la eSouth Africa. Khumbula ukuthi ama-summer song South African Music Awards la eSouth Africa. uTyler bethandwa la athandwa khona. Ingoma besiyithanda la eParis. So wena uhlanganaphi? Angizovola khona lapha na comment section ukuthi ngabe right yini ngoba ufika ukusho lokho uqeda waphinda wamtag uMthandeni wasewaxolisa wasethi kodwa ke phela ke mangingancanga ngaseboxini akanankinga. Angizovola khona lapha na comment section ukuthi namlalelo wakho uthini ngalolu daba.